Hello everybody. Well, it's December the 1st and it's the evening. It is probably about 7 o'clock and I can't tell you the time because I haven't got my watch on, and that's not a proper clock. That's, well, it is a proper clock, but there's not a battery in, and I haven't I'm the wrong way around on here. But anyway, it's the evening on December the 1st. I wasn't going to do a vlogmas, but I thought what I might do are short videos because I have got, it is an advent calendar, but it's an advent calendar that's slightly different. What I have got is myself a Lego advent calendar. What you got a Lego advent calendar for? It's a special Lego, I'm shaking that phone. It's a special Lego advent calendar because it is, 2 years ago, we went to Rye in the January 2024, we went to Rye. And the house that we stayed in had a bouquet of flowers made of Lego. And I thought they were absolutely lovely. It was in the kitchen. And every time I went into the kitchen, I kept saying, oh, that's gorgeous. That's really nice. And then I came across this Lego advent calendar. And it's to make a bouquet of flowers. So this is it. These are all the flowers. And I think there are 24. It says it's for 6+. I bought a cheap one a year ago from Morrison supermarket, not a Lego one. I think this is Lego. If it's not Lego, it's very similar. Oh, it might not be Lego. I don't think it is Lego, but I'm hoping it's a lot easier than the one that I bought last year. I'm still putting it together. I started it last year, then I gave up on it, and then I started again when my hand started hurting, when all I could do was sit in front of the television doing nothing. I thought I would start trying to assemble it, and in the end the instructions were so tiny I couldn't see what I was doing, and in the end I thought, oh, forget about those instructions, I'm going to just do it out on top of my head. So I created these flowers. I haven't finished them yet, but they're nothing like the pictures, but I've got these flowers made. So anyway, I'm going to open this up and I'll let you see what it's like inside. Come on. Oh, that hurt. That hurt. Although I've got the strapping off my hand, it does still hurt sometimes. Although it didn't hurt the other day because I made 2 dresses, which I have yet to show you. I made them yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday, and we had the grandchildren until yesterday morning, and his lordship took the grandchildren back home. And I said, right, because my arm is feeling better, I'm going to start sewing. And I cut out 2 dresses, cashmerette again. So you're going to say, oh God, she's turning out those by the pound load. But I cut out 2 cashmerette dresses and finished them, and they look absolutely gorgeous. You might have just caught a glimpse of them there. Oh, now look at this. Now this looks like it's fun. So inside this box, it's numbered 1 to 24. So I figured that I might not have time to do all of the vlogging for Christmas, but I thought I might just do one of these a day. Oh, they're quite long. Oh, look at that. They're very long. So I'm going to see what this turns out like. I am a bit concerned because there's I don't know if there's any instructions. Oh, this is just a packet like that. Oh, they're not very big. I have got a funny feeling that these aren't going to be anything like the flowers I saw in Rye, which were big ones about that high, and the heads were like that kind of thing. From the size of that packet, I think they're just going to be incy wincy ones. So let's see what they turn out like. We'll put this to one side. And we've got the instructions in here. Here's my little snippers to do this. I bet the instructions are really tiny as well. Oh golly, look at this. The instructions are I might not get this 24 days. You might only get to see today, and then that might be it. So this is the instructions. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let's see. I'll come back to you in a minute when I find out how to do it. Well, you've got to have the patience of an angel to put that together. It is a tiny little one. This is going to make a little posy. It's not very big. I mean, the one that I saw in in the house was probably about twice or three times the size, but that's not bad. It's actually better than the one that I got, that I'm still after a year trying to assemble. You can see it's rather sweet, rather nice. So that's my first flower. I'm left with two pieces. I'm not sure why I have two pieces. It actually says on here that there should only be one of those pieces, but they're giving me two. So I'll put them to one side just in case I need them for another flower. But that's my December the 1st flower. So there you go. And I've just had them ring me up about my wrist, and I told them that it feels like it's getting better. I've made two dresses. You can just see there the two dresses. I'm going to try them on tomorrow and let you see what they look like. But there you go. Happy Christmas. Happy Vlogmas Day 1. Catch you next time. Bye.